DeepSeek block Nvidia China AI strategy exposed. The global AI race just took a dramatic turn. Chinese AI lab DeepSeek has reportedly withheld its upcoming flagship AI model from major US chip makers like Nvidia and AMD, and instead it gave early access to China's supplier including Huawei. This is a major break from industry tradition. Normally, AI companies share early version of their model with companies like Nvidia and AMD. This helps optimize the software so it's run efficiently on their chips. But this time, Nvidia and AMD were left out. According to source, DeepSeek upcoming V4 model was not shared with US chip maker. Instead, Chinese companies were given a head start of several weeks to optimize it for their own processor. Because Nvidia dominates the global AI chips market, most AI models worldwide are trained or deployed using Nvidia hardware. Even DeepSeek previous model were reportedly trained on Nvidia advanced chip. In fact, a US official told Reuters that DeepSeek's latest model may have been trained using Nvidia Blackwell chips in mainland China, potentially raising concern about export control violation. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Some analysts believe this could be part of a broader Chinese strategy to reduce reliance on US hardware and give domestic chip makers like Huawei a competitive edge. However, experts also say the impact on Nvidia and AMD might be minimal because most enterprises are not heavily dependent on DeepSeek model. In many cases, it's more of a benchmarking model than a mainstream enterprise solution. Still, the move signals something bigger. Chinese open source AI models are growing rapidly on platforms like Hugging Face. Chinese models have surfaced other countries in total download over the past year, and DeepSeek also has crossed over 75 million downloads. This is not just about on model update. This is about the shifting balance of power in global AI. Is China trying to build a fully independent AI ecosystem with US export control titan future? And could this spark a new phase in the AI chip war? The AI race is no longer just about innovation, it's about control. And this story is just getting started. Follow for daily AI updates.